Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust VW Beetle front suspension. First, you'll need to understand the basic components of the torsion bar system. This involves the torsion leaves, spring plates, and shock absorbers. We'll cover how to safely access these parts and prepare your vehicle for the adjustment process. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and effective modification, ensuring you achieve the desired ride height and handling characteristics. Before starting, gather your essential tools like a floor jack, sturdy jack stands, and a good wrench set. You'll also need a specialized torsion bar removal tool, which is critical for safely detensioning the suspension. Always prioritize safety by wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and heavy-duty gloves. Ensure your workspace is clear and well-lit for optimal visibility and maneuverability. Begin by safely lifting your Beetle and securing it firmly on jack stands. Next, carefully remove the front shock absorbers and then the torsion arms. This will allow you to access the torsion leaves. You can then adjust the number of leaves or their orientation to achieve your desired ride height, whether you're aiming for a lower stance or a slightly raised profile. Reassemble everything in reverse order, ensuring all bolts are torqued correctly. After reassembly, double-check all bolts and connections to ensure everything is secure and properly tightened. Take your Beetle for a careful test drive to assess the new suspension height and handling characteristics. Listen for any unusual noises and feel for proper alignment. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your newly adjusted ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.